Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to make BIBIM pasta. What's BIBIM pasta? I guess you would probably heard of BIBIMBAB, which is very traditional Korean food, and BIBIM means just mix. So when you put BIBIM in front of any food, it means like mixed something. Like BIBIM pasta means mixed pasta, 비빔면 mixed noodle, 비빔국수 mixed different type of noodle. Yeah, so anyhow, we're gonna make BIBIM pasta today, and let's get started. This is the spaghetti that I'm using today. It's got a bellini, very thin spaghetti, like this thin, super thin. Yep. Only 3 minutes. Boiling some water here, and let's make the sauce. For the sauce, I'm using Korean chili paste, soy sauce, white vinegar, sesame oil, sugar, black pepper. I'm gonna put some seaweed, dried and salted seaweed on top, and sesame seed. But if you don't have them, just skip it. I'm just, adding it because I have it. Savory roasted Korean seaweed. Tomatoes, I'm just adding it just because I have. You can simply skip it, and if you like more fresh vegetables, you can also add some cucumbers, green lettuce, or sprouts. That will be also really nice. So I'm sprinkling some seaweed. You're so good. Okay. And last but not least, we're garnishing with some sesame seed. Perfect. Voila! Doesn't it look super nice? Ooh. It will taste awesome. Of course, it's Korean style pasta, so I'm using chopsticks. I'm just gonna mix everything like this nicely. Usually with this sauce and this ingredient, I will use Korean fine noodle. Hi!
Hi!